Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Shahza Parveen. My topic is the childhood of our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It was the custom of the people of Makkah to send their children to the countryside for upbringing. The mother of our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam also sent him to the countryside where he was brought up by Halima alayhi salam. She was a virtuous lady who was called Halima Sadiya because she belonging to the Banu Sa'd tribe. She nursed our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He grew up in the fresh and vast countryside where he became a healthy child and learned to speak pure Arabic. When he returned to his mother after 2 years, she was overjoyed to see him. Since there was a disease separating in Makkah at that time, she had to send him back with Halima alayhi salam. Everyone who saw Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam loved him and happy to hear his sweet words. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam loved the children of Halima alayhi salam and they loved him as well. They included him in their games and they also joined them when they went out to graze their goats. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam returned to his mother when he was 4 years old. Extremely happy to have her child back, she showed her affection on him. When he was 6 years old, she took him to visit her family. However, she fell in the way and passed away. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was without the care of both parents. The young Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was brought to his grandfather Abdul Muttalib by Ayman radhiyallahu ta'ala anha. Abdul Muttalib was full of sorrow and knew that life and death in the hands of Allah. No one can change his will. Once Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam happened to pass by Abwa, where his mother was burned. On seeing his mother's grave, he started crying and all the companions started crying as well. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Jazakallah.